everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandra. Thank you for joining me today. Today is another Let's Review My Stash video, and we're going to talk about highlighting products. So I've got some highlighters, and then I've got highlighting products that you add in foundations. We're going to talk about all of these. I actually don't have that many highlighters. I'm always looking for highlighters, and then I try them, and then I just don't like them. They don't like, I guess, work to my standards or the way the products that I already have work. So the first one I'm going to talk about, the Face Glaze Highlighting Gel Cream. This is by Innbeauty Project, and it says adds a soft focus glow and supports skin barrier. So you can use this. It's actually supposed to hydrate as well. You can use it. It says multiple ways to give your skin gorgeous soft focus glow. So you can use it underneath your foundation with your moisturizer. You can use it to mix it in with your foundation and use it as an all-over base, or you can use it as a highlighting gel cream on top. I haven't actually used this product much, but I do want to start using it a little bit more. Okay, so now two products that I actually purchased quite a while ago. One is more tan and one is more neutral for my skin color right now. This is the Hollywood Flawless Filter. This was everything when it came out. Like, I love this line. FYI, by the way, Charlotte Tilbury has done a fantastic job in using this like flawless filter line. It's just amazing. Her setting spray, the glow filter, even the foundation is wonderful. So I've got this shade in 5 tan and then this one in 4 medium. This is my everyday shade. I usually go for this one, and you can do the same thing, although this comes in a wand, so it's a little bit harder to add to product, but you can still do it. So you can add it under foundation if you want. It gives a very diffuse glow. You can't really see it, but it does give an all-over glow. You can add it to your foundation, mix it on your hand or on your sponge or brush or whatever, or you can add it on top as a highlight. So the only thing is, I do notice it doesn't act like a highlighter, like a concentrated highlighter. So it's very, very diluted, but it's really beautiful. So a newer product that I recently purchased was my Dior Forever Glow Star Filter. So this is very much like the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Filter, except this one has a pump. And I have been using this a bit more frequently because I really like the pump. And it's called Sublimating Fluid Spectacular Glow Long Wear 24-Hour Hydration. So it's multi-usage, and you can use it the same way. You can use it under foundation with your moisturizer. You can use it by itself. You can use it on top of foundation. You can mix it in with your foundation. All different types of ways of using it. So those are really good multi-use products. Now we're going to talk about actually specific highlighters. And these are ones that I actually really, really love. I've been trying to find highlighters that are specific, specifically highlight like sticks, and I'm not finding very good luck with highlighting sticks. So the first one is this e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand, and it's a highlight, and I got this last summer, and it's called Liquid Gold. The problem with this one is it's so gold. It's also this type of applicator, and I'm not a fan of that. I think if I had got it in a more champagne color, I just thought that this would be more for my skin tone. I think maybe in the summer, if I was doing like more of a bronzy look and my skin was more tan, I think it would be okay. I think I just got the wrong color. Okay, so another one that, again, I'm not sure about this one, you guys. I got it in the wrong color again. Maybe it's just my luck when I have like liquid highlighters. This is Rare Beauty, and normally Rare Beauty, my thoughts on Rare Beauty is that I love the entire line. Every product that I've purchased so far has been amazing, except for maybe the eye primer. And this is called Mesmerize Liquid Luminizer, and Mesmerize is the rose gold shade. So I thought the rose gold would just be amazing. The problem is it doesn't stand out on my skin tone enough. So that's my bad, but I mean, the color is beautiful, and I don't know, I really like the color. So I obviously kept it, and I'm gonna keep trying it. A newer purchase that I got in fall was this Haus Labs Pure Glass Bio Radiant Glassy Highlighter Balm. I love this. Okay, the problem is if you get hair in your face, it sticks to your skin. So like, I would put it on now, but I'm afraid that my current stuff is gonna come off. Let's see if it does anything. So it literally, like, I don't know if you can see this. You can't really see much because honestly, like I've got other makeup on top. I probably put too much makeup on top. I don't want to ruin it. But anyway, it's like this glass. It's completely clear. And it does look really pretty. And I think it looks better on skin that is like natural. Not as good on makeup. But it's really pretty. Okay. Oh, I hear fireworks. It's New Year's Eve. But it's not time. It's only 9 o'clock. I don't know why anyone's doing fireworks yet. Okay. So another all-over product, but it is a powder, is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in the shade Luminous Light. I only have one, but a lot of people love their blush, like especially their Christmas editions where you've got blush, highlight, and everything all together. I just have this one color. This color works for me. I actually have it on today. I'm not sure if you can really tell because my face is already so glowy, but I really do love this product. Okay. This one that I'm not so sure about, but it got huge raves last year when people were doing their makeup and buying, I think it was in the fall last year, not this year, so 2024. This is the Sephora Colourful Luminizer, and I got mine in Iced Pearl 05. It's a powder, but it almost goes on so smooth that it's like a gel or a cream. It's very pretty. It's also very like it's not high beam, if that makes sense. Like it's very delicate and gentle, and it looks really, really pretty, especially in lighter skin tones. Okay, I also have my Hollywood Glow Glide Face Architect Highlighter. This is the shade Champagne Glow. Again, I love anything by Charlotte Tilbury. This one's just a little bit too gold again for me. It says champagne, but I have another one that is more champagne, which I actually prefer better. It's the Mary Lou by the Balm, the Mary Lou Manizer, and aka the Luminizer by the Balm Cosmetics. This is my all-time favorite highlighter ever. I love this product and I'm wearing it today, but you can see the difference. So this one is a little bit more, actually this looks more gold, this looks more pink, but I feel like this one comes across as more, not as rose gold, but actually it does look a bit more rose gold, doesn't it? It's hard to tell. Anyway, this one's my favorite. Maybe it just goes better with my skin tone. I don't know. This one's nice though. I do use this occasionally, but I just don't reach for it as often. Okay, the last two. This one is my Rare Beauty powder. It's just highlighter, and it's the shade Exhilarate. This one has a very, I don't know why it got broken there, but it's got very, very high color payoff, very bright, very glowy. Okay, so if you want high beam, this is your lady. Definitely high beam. Also for high beam and for drugstore price, mind you, I got this from Ulta in the States, was Flower Beauty Shimmer and Strobe Highlighting Palette. This one right here. She's old, you guys. Like when I first started my makeup, this is like 6 years old. I love it. I love it so much. It works amazing. You get 3 colors: champagne, rose gold, and gold. Okay, absolutely love. Actually, I don't even know if those are the shades. It doesn't actually have the shade names on here. No, but it's by Drew Barrymore, like Flower Beauty. These are amazing. They're luminescent. If I ever have like a copper, gold, or bronze look, I always go for this color. I don't really use this one much. Maybe if I have like an all over pink color, and then this one is one I usually reach for. So that one definitely has like, I've hit pan. I can see the pan right in the middle. But that one is like one of my all-time favorites as well. So probably a tie between that one and this one here. But that is it for my highlighting products. So I hope I was able to teach you guys something. And if you have any questions about any of the products I list below, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new, please subscribe. Click on the bell button to be notified when I upload new videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Mwah! Bye.